Good morning. My name is Dr. Michelle Terry. I'm a pediatrician at the University of Washington and Seattle Children's, and I'm at Seattle Science Foundation this week for Mini Medical School. Here's what's happening this week at SSF. Join us Wednesday for a very special edition of Evening with a Spine Surgeon. No subject will be off limits as your hosts, Dr. Jens Chapman and Dr. Zach Ziegler, welcome Dr. Rick Sasso for an off-the-cuff chat about all things spine surgery and beyond. Dr. Nelson Osiku from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill will be our guest Thursday morning for our John Jay Memorial Visiting Surgeon Lectureship. Friday, the University of California, San Francisco will host our virtual Spine Journal Club. And mark your calendars for August 9th and 10th when we will hold our 15th annual Spine Residents and Fellows course. This course will cover the latest advances in complex spinal disorders such as minimally invasive techniques, trauma, deformity, tumors, infection, and imaging. The course objective is to bring orthopedic and neurological surgeons in training together to advance the art and science of modern spine care. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. Thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.